Hello, adventurers! It's me, Ranger Rosie. Welcome back to our sound safari. Are your listening ears ready? Fantastic! Today, we're listening for some amazing flying friends. Birds! We're going to play, guess, the bird sound. I'll play a secret sound. You listen carefully and guess which bird it is. Ready? Let's go! Okay, first sound. Listen closely. What bird makes that beautiful tweeting song? Can you guess? Let's see. It's a robin. Look at the robin's lovely red tummy. Robins love to sing. Let's hear it again. Beautiful! Great listening. Ready for another sound? Here it comes. What bird makes that soft cooing sound? Who could it be? Let's find out. It's a wood pigeon. Wood pigeons like to sit in trees and coo. Listen again. Well done, you're doing amazing. Next sound. Listen carefully. Whoa! That's a loud sound. What bird makes that caw-caw noise? Any ideas? It's a big black bird called crow. Crows are very clever birds. Let's hear that sound one more time. You guessed it. Okay, I think you might know this one. Listen closely. What bird loves water and makes that sound? I bet you know. It's a duck. Ducks love to swim and paddle. Let's hear them again. Last one for today. This bird often comes out when it's dark. What bird makes that hoo-hoo sound at night? Have you got it? It's a wise owl. Look at the owl's big eyes for seeing in the dark. You know so many bird sounds now. Next time you're in the park or garden, keep your listening ears open. You might hear one of them. Thanks for joining me on our Feathered Friends Sound Safari. See you next time for more adventures. Bye-bye!